The Electoral Commission of Pakistan after it disqualified the former Prime Minister Imran Khan from holding public office on charges of unlawfully selling state gifts.
We start this news hour in Pakistan, where the Election Commission has disqualified former Prime Minister Imran Khan from running for office. The Commission says Khan is guilty of unlawfully selling state gifts received from heads of state and foreign dignitaries. Khan's aide says they will challenge the ruling. Well, the case against the former leader was filed in August.
Where the Election Commission of Pakistan has now disqualified former Prime Minister Imran Khan from the National Assembly. Now, the PTI chief was found guilty of submitting a false affidavit relating to the declaration of the Tosha Khana gifts. Now, the Election Commission delivered a unanimous verdict and has also initiated criminal proceedings against Imran Khan.
Pakistan's Election Commission has disqualified former Prime Minister Imran Khan from holding political office for 5 years. Reading out the recommendation,